Now I want to create an annotation tag for a diffuser. If I go to a new project in Revit and press AT for a terminal, and I place the supply diffuser 600 by 600, and I hit escape, and then I go to tag by category, and then I select free end and I give it an arrow, this arrow, and then I tag it like this. This is not how I want my tag to look like. So typically we use a tag that looks like this for air terminals. This looks like a rectangle with the tag and the dimensions and the airflow. So how do I do that? First, I want to change the diffuser. I click the air terminal and edit family. I want to add shared parameters so that the tag can read it, because project parameters like these ones, duct width and duct height and diffuser width and diffuser height, are only visible here. We cannot use them in tags and we cannot report them in schedules. So we need to use shared parameters to report them in our tag. I press here on family types and then new parameter, and instead of family parameter, shared parameters, and select, and it says that it can't find the text file, so I create a new shared parameter text file and I save it here in downloads, and I call it shared parameters file, and I click save. Now I create a new group and I call it diffuser, and I click OK. And then new parameter for, I call it diffuser height, common, and length. Okay, another one, and I call it diffuser width. And I click OK. And then I click OK. 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 I go here to family types, and I need the diffuser height to be just equal to the diffuser height that's here. Control C, Control V, and the diffuser width to be the same like the diffuser width. I click OK. I did something very wrong. So diffuser width, and I add the diffuser. I added one and I didn't add the other. So I added diffuser height. I didn't add diffuser width. Okay, okay. I should give them different names, but no problem. So I click OK. Then I should save my diffuser, because this is the default diffuser that comes with Revit. I can save it to as a new family. I click supply diffuser. I can call it Ziad supply diffuser, and save. And load into project. This is another diffuser with my two new shared parameters. I will delete this and TG and another tag. Now I can edit the tag itself. I click on the tag, edit family, and then I want to just copy this one here, and I want to delete this one and delete the small line, and copy this one another time. And I can draw my geometry, but make them a little closer. And I go to create, masking region, rectangle, and then I want it to look like that. Okay, and another masking region, create masking region rectangle like that. Okay, and I need the first one to read the mark, so I click here, edit label, and then I want it to read the mark. Okay, and I remove the flow from here, and the sample value maybe SD1, like all caps. Okay, and this one I needed to read my diffuser dimensions, my shared parameters. So I click here, edit label. I will not find my shared parameters here. I will just I need to click here and select diffuser height. I add it, and again here diffuser width I add it. Okay, and then I need to get rid of this flow, and diffuser height, click on the green arrow, and then suffix space x space diffuser width, click here, and then I click OK. I need to edit the sample values. I just call it h by w, and I click OK. Another thing that I need to add is the number. I can go here, edit, create label, and then I put the number here. I need also to create a new shared parameter for the number. So I click here, select, and then edit, new number, but the number I need it to be text. I mean the quantity. I need it to be text. Okay, 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 and then I need to, if I click Q, it's still not here, so I'll click here again, select quantity, okay, okay, so, and sample value, maybe it's Q, and I click OK. So here is the quantity of my diffusers. Also, sometimes I need to add the option of hiding it, making it invisible. So I will create a new project family parameter, new parameter here. I can call it quantity visible. And common, I want it to be yes or no. And type parameter. Okay, okay. And I need to associate this visibility. Click here, and then visible. I click here. I make it associated to quantity visible. And now this is my tag. I can save it, and I can call it new diffuser tag or anything. And I load it into project. Okay, and I delete this tag, or I click and I change the type, new diffuser tag. And this is how my diffuser looks like. For this question mark, I can't edit it because it's still not recognized as a project parameter. How to do that? I go to manage, project parameters, and then new parameter, and then shared. I search for the quantity. Okay, okay. Select at least one category. I need it to be associated with air terminals. Okay, okay. So now I can click here and I can edit the number of my diffusers. So this is how we can create tags for diffusers.